Hey everyone, today we're going to try the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Car Shampoo. This particular brand, Chemical Guys, has grown in popularity, of course, and Mr. Pink is a definitely popular car shampoo. Again, Chemical Guys have many more other car shampoos, but we're going to test out this one today to really see if it is what they say, Super Suds. So today, like I said, we're going to test out the Mr. Pink car shampoo, but we're going to test it through the foam cannon only. We're going to take a look to see whether or not it does produce super suds or not. Does it produce that thick shaving cream type foam? Well, hey, stay tuned. Let's find out. Alright, before I begin, the scent of this car shampoo is actually like a fruity type scent, almost like a cherry kind of scent itself, fruity. Let's try her out. Wow, I'm actually quite impressed. As you can see, it's actually doing its job. It's not necessarily sticking to the paint. You want a thick foam, but you want it to actually fall and actually help clean the car, which is actually what it's doing. A little quicker than I thought it would be, but regardless, that's what you look for. Alright, let's rinse this off. So I rinsed out the car. It looks like it came out great. Again, I'm impressed with the foam. However, I have to admit, it did take a little longer to actually go ahead and rinse the car off. There's a lot of foam and suds in the car, granted, with a lot of foam, but it did take a little bit of extra effort to rinse the car off with all the foam. So again, very impressed with the foam though. The amount of shaving cream type thickness of the foam on this vehicle from the foam cannon, it actually came out really great. And here's the final result. So once again, this is only washing the car with the foam cannon, touchless wash. Just wanted to take a look more. The objective of this video is more just to see the foam of this particular car wash, the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink, to see if it really is Super Suds shampoo. Well, it definitely didn't disappoint. Again, the only drawback with this car shampoo was simply the amount of time it took to rinse. I noticed it took a little longer, just thinking of other car soaps that I've used and talked about here as well in future videos. But it's just more of the fact of it did have a little bit more effort to rinse. Again, not a huge deal for some. Not really a big deal for me, but definitely you want something that rinses off pretty easily. But again, not a huge disadvantage. Love to hear your thoughts. It's a very popular car wash, or car shampoo for that matter. So again, I'd really love to hear your thoughts and your comments, whether or not this is ideal for you to use in your vehicle, what experiences you've had. Do you agree with me in terms of rinsing off the vehicle and taking a little bit longer than maybe some other car soaps? Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. Click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. This channel deals with everything in terms of car detailing, and also click on the bell when you subscribe so you'll be alerted of any new videos that do come about on this channel. So thank you again, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.